Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to adjust the brightness on your Mac. Whether you want to save battery, reduce eye strain, or just find the perfect screen lighting, I've got you covered. Let's get started. The easiest way to adjust brightness on a MacBook is by using the keyboard. Simply press the F1 key to decrease brightness and the F2 key to increase it. If you're using an external keyboard, you may need to hold the Fn key while pressing F1 or F2. If you prefer to adjust brightness through Settings, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Settings. Then, go to Displays. Here you'll see a brightness slider. Simply drag it left to dim the screen or right to make it brighter. If you want your Mac to adjust brightness automatically based on ambient light, scroll down in the Displays menu and enable Automatically Adjust Brightness. This feature uses the built-in light sensor to optimize screen brightness for different environments. If you're using an external monitor, keep in mind that the brightness settings need to be adjusted directly on the monitor itself. Look for physical buttons or an on-screen menu to tweak the brightness, and that's it. Now you know how to change brightness on your Mac for the best viewing experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.